be showing you guys how I put on my wig and also how to style it. Next, I'm going to put on my black hair cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in all of my hair, making sure no hair strand is sticking out. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and pull my cap back a little bit so that it doesn't cover my forehead. So once that is done, I am going to put on my wig. This wig comes with 5 clips in it, 2 on the temple area, 2 behind the ears, and 1 in the middle bottom. So what this does is it helps secure the wig, that way it will stay in place instead of, falling off. And I'm just going to go ahead and clip all of that in. And once I am done, I'm going to be taking my paddle comb and just go ahead and comb out the hair so that there's no knot in it. So a trick that I learned on how to make your wig look more real is by combing out your front baby hair. This will help make your front hairline more natural, and it also blends in your wig. Last but not least, it's time to style my hair. I wanted to go for more of a loose wavy kind of curls, so I'm going to be taking my Numi Titan 3 32mm barrel, and I'm just going to go ahead and curl my hair with that. I started from the middle, as you can see, the middle part of my head down. I don't like my curls to be too high up, but if you want to do it a little bit higher, then you can. Once I'm done curling my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out with my fingers. And then after that, I'm just going to spray some hairspray to make the curls stay.